Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set deal stage pipelines in Hubspot CRM. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM web application, just like I'm doing right here. And the next thing is, how can you create an account on HubSpot? You may be wondering. Now, launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, head over to the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type hubspot.com. Now that's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Get CRM for Free button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of activities or a lot of features to have an exciting time. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to set deal stage pipelines. Now from this homepage, head over to the top of your screen where you're going to find these tabs. You're going to find Contact, Conversations, Marketing, Sales, Crm, Service, Automation, and Reporting. Go ahead and click on Sales, and you have an extended menu here that says Prospecting, Deals, Forecast, Tax, Documents, Meetings, Playbooks, and Products. So go ahead and click on Deals. Now this is going to take you to the deals page itself where you can now navigate the settings to, do whatever you want to do. So this deals page is loading right up. So now that we're here, let's see how we can set deal stage pipelines. How can you even see the pipelines itself? So head over to the top of your screen, you're going to find the sales pipeline option, which is apparently the only pipeline that we have. All right, so you can go ahead and click on all pipelines, but before you view all pipelines, then you have to view your deal as a list. So click on view your deal as list. Then you'll be able to change that. So this is the pipeline, all the pipelines, deal stage, close dates, deal owner. So you can click on this and you can click on all pipelines to see all your pipelines. So you can see the pipelines all available. Now, if you want to set deal stage pipelines, go ahead and click on the pipeline that you find there. So this is edit pipelines. So you can set it and customize it to what you want. So the window is loading. So here we go. Now customize boarding card view and then customize deal tags, which is for like premium users. So we have use deal pipelines to manage the way you track potential revenue over time. So here you can now select a pipeline. So here you can click on create pipeline. So here you have this is locked. It's locked. It means that for you to be able to create a new pipeline, to set a new pipeline, it means you have to be subscribed, like you have to join the premium version. So for now, only sales pipeline is available to us in HubSpot. So here you have the stage name, the probability, and all of these stages for the sales pipeline. So if you want to add a new stage, so you can click on add stage and so I'm scrolling the way down. So here you have to have your stage name. So let's say final closing. So that's it. I've been able to add that. So this is already part of the stage pipeline under sales pipeline. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can set deal stage pipelines. As you can see, only sales pipeline is made available to us. So ensure that once you make those changes, go ahead and click on the save button right here, because if you do not save it, then it will not be saved. So now it says your pipeline was updated. If you scroll the way down, you're going to see that this has been added, and you can also manage it from here. So this is pretty much how you can set it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.